SOLIDWORKS 2018 introduces some powerful new productivity enhancements for drawings. Let's go ahead and take a look. 3D model views are a great way of communicating product manufacturing information, or PMI, that's been applied directly to the model using DimExpert and SOLIDWORKS MVD. However, for many customers, a 2D drawing is still required as a final deliverable. In SOLIDWORKS 2018, when adding new views to a drawing, any pre-existing 3D model views now appear in the view palette, ready for placement on the drawing sheet. A variety of options lets you choose which annotation types to include, and a simple drag and drop is all that's required to place the view. Now you can leverage the power of model-based design to help you create drawings even faster. The Advanced Hole feature is a powerful tool for creating complex multi-stepped holes. In SOLIDWORKS 2018, you can now quickly and easily detail an advanced hole using the Hole Callout feature. As you place the callout, new options give you control over how the information is displayed. Now you can apply all the information necessary to document multi-step holes in an instant. SOLIDWORKS 2018 offers you more flexibility on how drawing information is displayed. When working with section views, layers can be used to set crosshatch visibility, style, and color. The behavior of trailing zeros is even easier to control, using the new set of options in the document settings. You specify the trailing zero display for dimensions, tolerances, and properties independently of one another. This removes unnecessary detail and makes your drawings easier to read for everyone involved. 2018 gives you much greater freedom when creating complex drawing views. Now you can create broken out sections of an existing section and alternate position views. Starting with the section view of this hinge mechanism, after first defining the broken out region, in this example a pre-sketched rectangle. The new Randomized Scale option can be used to increase clarity by mixing up the crosshatch scaling of each component when all the parts being sectioned are using the same crosshatch style. Next, moving over to the alternate position view of the hinge mechanism, this pre-sketched circle can be used to create a broken out section detailing the arm and bracket fixing area. These are just a couple examples of how you can create complex broken out sections of more view types with minimal effort. Company standards often require that all text on a drawing should be capitalized. Now in 2018, when editing tables, a handy new option on the table toolbar enables you to instantly switch all text to be uppercase, regardless of how it was typed. These are some of the powerful new productivity enhancements in SOLIDWORKS 2018 that'll help you get your designs documented faster than ever.